Welcome to Real Talks with Rhona, real life, real struggles, real change. I am Rhona. This is Rocco, my little pugsy wugsy. And I am mum to three amazing children. Jamie, who's now 22, Joshua, who is 11, and Molly, who is 10. And this is my life. I have no idea where this little channel is going. I don't know what it's going to bring me. I have been blogging my life for over 10 years now, and I decided to come in with some real truth, some real talk about the craziness that is my life. All my kids have extra needs. Joshua is autistic. He has dyspraxia and dyslexia. Molly has Down syndrome. She had a congenital heart defect. My eldest boy, Jamie, has Asperger's, and he also had clubfoot when he was born. So I've been through a bit of a mill. I have no doubt my boyfriend and myself have ADHD. And my little pugsy here was a rescue dog. So yeah, I've been through a lot. But apart from all that, I've been through a lot of big journeys in my life. I come from an amazing family, a very close, very well respected, very normal family, but who have been through a good bit of trauma in their lives. And unfortunately, for some reason, I decided through being overweight as a child to not feel worthy about myself, to pick up the wrong partners in my life who were narcissistic, and I just craved to be loved. So my journey has changed a lot. Over the last 4 to 5 years, I have lost over 10 stone. I have changed my life completely. I've begun all over again at the age of 50, and I'm living my absolute best life now. So what I'm going to share on here is some of the stories, some of the journey, what the real journey was like, what the nitty and bitty grits of making those changes in your life, because it's great to see a reel of how I did it and what I visually look like now, but to actually know what it felt like that you might be able to relate to during those hard times, and how I got out of it, and the tools I used to change my whole life and my thinking, and to change from negative thinking to positive thinking, and to manifest what I've manifested in my life. I know a lot of people aren't into manifestation. Some people call it different things. I know even my partner, John, doesn't believe in manifestation, but he actually did it in a different way. He just used different words, and he did it all aside. Goal setting, he used to call it, but he believed he would do things. So, so John is my partner now of 3 years. We're extremely happy together. We have a fantastic, normal relationship, and we have great communication. So again, I went on the dating scene in my 50s, so I'm going to talk about that and how I manifested John into life. God love him. And yeah, so he lives along with our crazy life with his gorgeous kids, and yeah, it's all a bit manic. So this is real life. It's going to be real talks. I am so excited for it. And yeah, I hope you follow along.